Hello and welcome to PNG Insight. In this video, you will find out how you can log in using your school leavers number for grade 10 and grade 12. But first up, please subscribe to PNG Insight and stay updated with latest on education in Papua New Guinea. Right, so if you're a grade 10 student, the first thing is to click on the green button, and when you go into the My exam result interface, the first thing is to take note of the login format. So you will have to have the 4 digits of the year, for example 2020, and then the provincial code 2 digits, school code 3 digits, and candidate number 4 digits. That's for the grade 10 students. So all in all, the password will have 13 characters altogether. So if you're a grade 10 student, you should have 13 characters in your password. So that is made up of the 4 digits of the year, 2 digits of the province, 3 digits of the school, and 4 digits of your candidate number. Right, when you have those in place, type in your surname, your given name, and then your password, your SLF number, and the format that we just mentioned. Now, sometimes if you have difficulty, I've found an easy way to actually type in the password out so that you can see it. You can do it on a Word file or even in somewhere where it's visible, like what I'm doing here. Make sure your password is correct, and then once you have all the 13 characters, just cut that one out. Make sure there's no space behind your surname or your given name, and then paste it directly in the password. Right, can you see that? If you paste it there, and you know it's the correct one, and you can click on get my results, and that will take you into the website where you can access the results. Right. In a case where you have difficulty, try your name and probably interchange your surname and given name. If you have 3 names, that's where most of the students normally have problems. Make sure that you get all the combinations right. So for grade 10 students, you will have 13 characters for your password, whereas for the grade 12 students, you will have 12 characters for your password. So that's the 4 digits of the year, 2 digits of the province, 3 digits of the school, and your candidate number will be 3 digits. Okay, so make sure that you get those right. There are 2 things that you should do, and it's a must that you do those 2 things when you have accessed your results. Right. So the first thing is to download the PDF version so that you have a copy of your exam results in your phone or with you all the time on your computer. And the second thing is to ensure that you change your password. Right, make sure you change your password to a more secured password that only you can remember, and do not share your password details or even your marks with your friends. For those who have difficulty logging in, the first thing to do is to go back to your school and confirm your password, your SLF number, with your teachers or the deputy principal and the principal of your school, and so that you get a teacher or someone close to you who you trust to try the combination of your password and your username. And if that can't be done, then the teachers at your school and your deputy principal or the principal will have to call MSD, the Measurement Services Division, and fix your problem. Right, do not call MSD direct, because they will not attend to you. They will only attend if a teacher or the deputy principal calls them. Hope you can log in successfully. Give us a thumbs up, like, and comment.